Well, hey family, this is Darlene. I wanted to show you these beads I had got at Joann's. Joann's has a sale $3.99 for any strand of beads. I'm not sure. In fact, I went in. I didn't even go in to get beads. I went in to get stretch cord because I ran out of stretch cord. And I also happened up on a spool of gold wire, and there was only like one left. It's getting harder and harder to find that gold wire, so I'm gonna have to start reordering it online. But I thought these were really nice beads, and I have used these before. Uh, these right here. I like these. I love the way they look on bracelets. Really nice, pretty. And then turquoise, I love me some turquoise. And I think what I might do is take this turquoise bead and mix that with this bead right here. I think that'll be pretty. Actually, I might even mix them all together and then kind of see what I get. And that was the general mindset when I grabbed all three of them. I was like, man, that'll make a really nice bracelet if I marry all those beads together. And chances are that's what I'll do. And I probably won't be able to videotape it. I'll probably make it during my lunch period. And then I'll come back to show you guys what it looks like. And of course, we all know how to bead string beads. So that's not like it needs to be a how-to video or anything. And I am going to be doing a video showing how to make those wire earrings. But in the meantime, be sure to enjoy your day. And thanks for being a subscriber. Darlene Knight for Jewelry by BDK. We'll talk soon.